Ever wondered why green construction is such a big deal in today's world? It's because our planet is crying out for help, and green construction is one of the ways we can answer that call. With the growing concern for environmental sustainability, it's no wonder that green construction has taken center stage. Green construction, also known as sustainable or eco-friendly building, is the embodiment of environmentally responsible and resource-efficient processes, from planning to design, construction, operation, and even maintenance. It's about creating structures that not only stand tall, but also stand for something. The benefits of green construction are manifold. It champions energy efficiency, promotes the use of renewable materials, and significantly reduces waste and pollution. But it's not just about the environment. Green construction also improves occupant health, creating spaces that are not only safe, but also nurturing. As we can see, green construction is not just a trend, but a necessity in today's world. But how does green construction differ from traditional construction methods? This question is central to understanding the shift we're seeing in the construction industry today. Traditional construction methods are primarily product-focused. The emphasis is on building structures that are sturdy, functional, and visually appealing, often with little regard for the environmental impact. These methodologies typically rely on non-renewable resources, such as concrete, steel, and other materials that are not only damaging to extract, but also generate a significant amount of waste. On the other hand, green construction takes a holistic approach. It doesn't just consider the end product, but the entire life cycle of a building, from planning and design to construction, operation, maintenance, and even eventual demolition or repurposing. The goal is to create structures that are not only robust and practical, but also have a minimal environmental footprint. Green construction aims to utilize renewable and recyclable resources wherever possible. For instance, it might opt for sustainably sourced timber over steel, or recycled glass and plastic instead of new materials. It's an approach that not only conserves resources, but also reduces waste and pollution. Energy efficiency is another key differentiator. Green construction methods incorporate designs and technologies that minimize energy consumption. This could involve tactics like using high-performance windows and insulation to reduce heating and cooling needs, or incorporating renewable energy sources like solar panels into the design. The result is buildings that are not only more cost-effective to run, but also kinder to the environment. Waste reduction is another considerable advantage of green construction. By using materials more efficiently and recycling wherever possible, this approach significantly reduces the amount of waste generated during construction. This not only conserves resources, but also minimizes the impact on landfill sites. Clearly, green construction offers a more sustainable and environmentally friendly approach than traditional construction methods. It's a shift that recognizes our responsibility to the planet and future generations, and one that's transforming the way we think about and approach construction. So, what are the key points to remember about green construction? For starters, green construction, or sustainable building, is a practice that focuses on creating structures using processes that are environmentally responsible and resource efficient. This practice is applied throughout the entire life cycle of a building, from planning and design to construction, operation, and maintenance. One of the main highlights is the difference between green and traditional construction methods. Traditional construction often overlooks the environmental impact and tends to focus more on cost and speed. On the other hand, green construction prioritizes the environment, using materials and methods that lessen the carbon footprint and promote sustainability. This doesn't mean that cost efficiency is thrown out the window. In fact, while the initial cost may be higher, the long-term savings in energy and maintenance often outweigh the initial investment. Another key takeaway is the myriad of benefits green construction brings. Not only does it promote environmental sustainability, but it also improves the quality of life for those who occupy these buildings. Better air quality, improved natural light, and the use of non-toxic materials contribute to healthier living and working spaces. Moreover, green construction can also significantly reduce energy and water consumption. Buildings designed with energy efficiency in mind use less power for heating, cooling, and lighting. Similarly, water-efficient fixtures and the use of rainwater harvesting systems can significantly reduce water usage. The role of civil engineers in promoting and implementing green construction is crucial. They are at the forefront of designing and constructing buildings that are not just structurally sound, but also environmentally friendly. It's their expertise and innovative thinking that drive the development of more sustainable construction methods and materials. In conclusion, green construction is a vital approach in our pursuit of a sustainable future. It presents a compelling case for a shift in how we think about and approach construction. By prioritizing the environment and sustainability, we can create buildings that are not just functional and aesthetically pleasing, but also beneficial to our planet and future generations.